Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-direct incoming Yahoo emails to specific folders. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the settings over here at the top right, then click on more settings. Then over here at the side, you want to click on filters. Then you're going to click on add new filters. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a filter so that we can filter out every emails that we're going to receive. So let's say, for example, I want to filter all of the emails that are work related. So over here in filter name, I'm just going to type in work. Then over here, we're going to set the rules. So what we're going to do is we're first going to select the criteria. Then I'm going to choose contains. Then over here at filter value, I'm going to put a keyword that is related to my work or I know is something that is included in the emails that I receive that are work related. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to write this word just for the sake of the tutorial. So every email that contains this value that I receive, they will be automatically filtered out to this folder that we're going to make. And we can also filter out the emails based on the sender. So just click on contains again over here in the criterion. Then over at filter value, we can type in the email address or we can type in the names of those senders that are from work so that the emails that they sent will automatically be filtered out. And you can also do the same for the subject and the body. Just click on contains and as well in body, and you can also type in here some keywords that are work related. Then over here at the folder, just select the folder that you want to use, or you can also create a new folder. Just type in a folder name over here at the side, and after you've done that, just click on save, and that's it. Thanks for watching.